In this instructional video, we'll show you how to install connectable cluster lights outside your home. For this video, we've used ConnectGo connectable cluster lights. We will be installing them on a flat roof along with roof peaks. We will be using a ConnectGo transformer. There are three options: large, medium, and small, with larger transformers able to power more lights. They come in black or white. We'll be using the small transformer in white to match the cable colour of our lights. If you don't want to use mains power, you can use battery boxes. A large battery box uses D-type batteries, whereas a small uses AA batteries. Again, both are available in black and white. We will also be using a ConnectGo Y-cord and extension cables. For attaching our lights, we will use a combination of command hooks, gutter hooks, and cup hooks. Before you start, be sure to test that your lights are working. The next step is addressing the distance between the power supply and where the lights will start. With the ConnectGo system, you can insert system extension leads between the transformer and the lights, or as in this video, you can use a standard household outdoor extension. Run your extension to your starting point. Make sure the power is not turned on until installation is complete. We're using the ConnectGo small transformer to power our lights. Insert the plug and secure the cable inside a weatherproof container like a dry box. Secure the lid to prevent weather damage to your cables and connections. For our guttering, we've used gutter hooks and placed each hook roughly 50 centimetres apart. This supports the cluster lights and helps keep them in position. For the underside of the peak, we've used cup hooks. They screw into softer materials and are a great option for heavier products. We space these roughly 50 centimetres apart. Finally, command hooks are ideal for temporary installs and stick to a variety of surfaces. Beginning at the small transformer, unscrew the connector cap and position it to meet the male connector on your first set of cluster lights. To help align the male and female connector pins, there are arrows on the connectors and a keyway groove. When the pins are aligned, push the two connectors fully until the blue O-ring is squeezed and tighten the wing cap securely for a watertight seal. Now, begin to feed your cluster lights cable into the S-hooks, keeping the cable firm from hook to hook for a neat appearance. If using cup hooks, we advise a single loop around the first hook, continuing the process as you install. Command hooks require a slight push for the cable to clip in. Once you have fitted your first set of lights, repeat the connecting process for the second set of lights. Remove the male connector cap, align the pins, and push the male and female connectors together firmly. Tighten the wing cap. Keep fitting sets of cluster lights until you've covered your display area. To continue the display to another area of the property, we've used a ConnectGo blank extension cable. Another useful accessory is the Y-cord. This is used to convert the single transformer cable or system extension lead into two outlets. This is a great way to run two separate light strings from just one plug. For smaller displays, we have battery box power in AA battery and D battery options, perfect for areas out of reach of mains power. Using the remote control included with the small transformer, you can easily select any of the display functions, set the timer, or even adjust your light's brightness. With the ConnectGo system, you can connect your lights and accessories to create amazing displays. And it can all be powered from one plug. You can rest easy knowing the whole system is rated IP44 and comes with a 2-year warranty, providing flexibility to both domestic and commercial displays. If you would like to see more videos from our connectable lights ranges, then please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and if you found it helpful, leave us your comments and any questions down below.